Yusen Logistics is a global leader in integrated logistics and supply chain solutions. Established in 1955 and headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, it operates in 46 countries with over 24,000 employees and more than 748 distribution centers worldwide. Here in the Philippines, Yusen Logistics brings its global expertise to support the country's growing logistics needs. The company provides a wide range of services, including freight forwarding, customers brokerage, warehousing, distribution, and contract logistics. A key player in these operations is Yusen Logistics Center Inc. or YLCI, which is registered under the Philippine Economic Zone Authority or PEZA as an Eco-Zone Logistics Service Enterprise. This allows YLCI to provide bonded warehousing and logistics services to support exporters and manufacturers in connecting to international markets. Specifically, the Laguna Logistics Centers 1 and 2, where we were assigned, served as a PEZA bonded facilities that integrate warehousing and delivery operations. These centers play a vital role in simplifying supply chain processes, improving inventory visibility, ensuring compliance with trade regulations, and supporting export-oriented companies in the Philippines.
During my OJT at Yusen Logistics, I gained a valuable hands-on experience and a deeper understanding of logistics operations. I learned how inbound and outbound processes work, including handling documents, coordinating schedules, ensuring accurate cycle inventory, and applying the 5S methodology to maintain a safe and efficient workplace. I also became familiar with the processes involving incoming and outgoing shipments, as well as truck dispatching, where I observed how proper coordinations ensures that the deliveries run smoothly and on time. I witnessed the importance of audits and compliance, realizing that even small details such as missing signatures or unlabeled areas can greatly affect operations. Through Kaizen activities, I also discovered that continuous improvement doesn't always require big changes. Sometimes small and a practical solution can already create a significant impact. Most importantly, I came to understand that logistics is not just about moving goods, it is about discipline, coordination, and collaboration. So these experiences strengthened my skills in documentation, problem solving, and communication, which are all essentials for my future career as an industrial engineer. My OJT was not only an opportunity to apply what I learned in school, but also a chance to gain a real-world insights that I will carry forward in my professional life.
Hi, I'm FMA Glemma. So for my OJT experience, I was assigned at LLC2 in Yusen Logistics. Unlike my two classmates who were in LLC1, I was alone at LLC2, and honestly, it felt overwhelming at first. But that challenge actually pushed me to learn and grow even more. I got hands-on with different tasks like scanning QR codes, labeling binders, fixing documents, updating monitoring sheets, and even joining 5S audits and Kaizen activities. At first, I thought these were just small tasks, but I realized they're really important in keeping warehouse operations accurate, organized, and audit-ready. Being assigned alone also taught me how to adapt quickly, manage my time, and communicate with different people in the company. I saw how operations, QA, and sales work together, and it made me appreciate the teamwork behind every smooth process. What stood out to me the most is how Yusen really values continuous improvement or Kaizen. Through Kaizen and regular audits, I saw how every small step matters and how everyone contributes to making the system better. In the end, this OJT didn't just sharpen my skills, it also made me more confident, more independent, and more prepared for my future career. What started as an overwhelming experience became one of the most rewarding parts of my journey.
Hi, this is Adel Shani Grace Silva, and I was assigned at LLC1. My OJT journey was honestly a roller coaster of learnings. On my first weeks, I joined toolbox meetings and even took part in a 5S audit with a QA officer. As the days went on, I moved from just observing to actually doing. I updated the Econex system, prepared daily operations reports, and worked with the documents that needed to be accurate down to the smallest detail. I also got to sit in Kaizen discussions where people shared problems and possible improvements. That was like seeing IE in action. Continuous improvement, problem solving, and teamwork all rolled into one. By my last week, things became more exciting because I was trusted with bigger tasks. I answered client calls for the first time, helped in the pull-out process, and joined inventory checking. It was nerve-wracking at first, but it boosted my confidence. Plus, it showed me how IE practices like inventory management, quality checks, and system thinking really matter in logistics. Overall, my OJT at LLC1 didn't just teach me technical skills. It taught me patience, adaptability, and teamwork. And honestly, it made me realize that even the small things like double-checking a tag or updating a report are big things when it comes to keeping the supply chain moving smoothly. Looking back, I can say my OJT was a challenging but fun and meaningful experience.
Sabi mo nga, nagkakanta ko ng time study dito para to check kung ano pa yung pwedeng eliminate natin or no, na hindi naman talaga siya kailangan ng mga warehouse personnel or port operator. And then, para ma-justify din natin, ito din kasi, isang tool din kasi ito para ma-justify natin kung kailangan na talaga ng additional manpower dito sa warehouse.
So, in terms of responsibility, mas madami si productions. Sa responsibility kay warehouse, more on handling of items, safety, standardization ng process sa kailangan, and then, ayun na. More siya sa inbound, outbound kapag logistics. Kapag production kasi, ang advantage sa production, madami kang matututunan sa tingin ko.